What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be discussing the new tweeters from Sundown Audio. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this. So this is gonna be short and sweet, or not too long, but I'm gonna give you as much detail as I can on these tweeters. So for the longest time, Sundown only had two different types of tweeters, which we're gonna start off with those. It's your more normal style of dome tweeters. We have the SD series and the SA V2 series, which come with your component sets from Sundown Audio. The SAV2s right now are on back order. They will run you 100, I think they're around $100 a set for the SAV2s. That was their more high-end dome tweeter. This is your more budget-friendly one. So the measurement, I'm gonna measure out these tweeters for you just so it'll hopefully help you on your purchase if you were looking at getting some. So this one is right at like 1.5 inches on the actual tweeter, and then from the flange you're looking at about 2 1/8 on the width, and on the height, let me see, you're looking at I know you can't see it on that side, but about 1/2 inch on the depth on these. So easy to mount in a door panel or like a A-pillar, B-pillar, something like that. And these are low power, 50 watts RMS. Don't require a ton of power to get loud. They're not going to be overbearing, but it's going to give you that nice high end that you're looking for to blend with some pretty good mids that you have. These are $50 a pair. They come with your angle mounting cups and some mounting screws and a wire to run to them. Again, that's for a pair, $50 for a pair. So that's going to move us on to our next. These are the new ones from Sundown, your super tweeters. These just were released, and I think we're the only ones currently with them. So we're going to go over the BTR1s, and the specs are on the side of the box right here, but they come in 4 ohms. Sensitivity is 100 dB, frequency range 4,000 to 20,000, and the RMS power is 100 watts. So 100 watts on these. They have a different look to them, which I really like. The width on these, you're looking at 3 inches from side to side, and on the depth you're looking at, let me measure it my way first, right at 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches on the mounting depth on those. So not super deep, but you definitely need more room than the one we just looked at, the SD series. And these come in at $36 each, which is insanely cheap in my opinion. I didn't think they would be that cheap. So moving on to the next one, which is the big brother of the BTR1, which is the ETR1, which comes in at $42. Again, I think it's super budget friendly for a Sundown Audio product. The width on this one looks to be 3 3/4 inch, or inches if you want to say that. And 4 ohm, these come in 4 and 8 ohm, and the sensitivity is 100 dB, frequency response is the same, 4,000 to 20,000, RMS power 100 watts as well. The mounting depth on these is going to be 1 3/4 inches, so 1 3/4 inches on the mounting depth, and it also has a pretty decent size booty on the back of there. I like the connections that it has here, the push terminals that you have there. Very nice connection. So this one has the aluminum finish on it. The one before it, the BTR one, had the copper, which looks very nice, but you're really not gonna ever see the back of a tweeter. Nobody's gonna mount a tweeter inverted. So beautiful, but you'll never see that. So that's the third tweeter. And the fourth tweeter is the GTR1. I call these the shot glass tweeters because it looks very similar to a shot glass. The face of this one is 1 inch, and right at 1 3/4 inches for the face of this one. And the way that you mount this one is you have this hold down ring right here. So you would take this off, you would stick this through your panel, and so the only thing that you would see on the side of the panel, if you had enough depth, this thing is deep, so you have to have enough depth, but you could have only this part of the tweeter showing, so it's a very clean look if installed properly. So the GTR1 is $38, and the specs on it, or they come in 4 and 8 ohm as well. Sensitivity is 100 dB, 4,000 to 20,000 on the frequency response, and it's 100 watts as well. So on the back you can see that it has the nice push terminals as well. Hook it up with some, I think probably 14 or 16 gauge wire. It doesn't require a lot of power, it's only 100 watts. And then the height of this is going to be right at 3 inches. So you would be like 2 and 3/4 on the depth, depending on how you flush mounted it right here. But these are going to be the different tweeters from Sundown Audio. They just came, again, they just added these this year, and they've been crazy popular. We've set up some packages with them with like a SFB 200.4, some of them with our JP84 that you saw in the prior, like a video that I've done before. So JP84 and 4 of these tweeters would be great because it's going to give it the RMS power. Obviously, if you wanted to have a lot more power on them, you have to be super careful, but you could do the JP234. It's going to give you a lot more power. But again, with tweeters, they're very, very delicate. They can't withstand abuse like a subwoofer can, because look how small the tweeter is. This is very small. It can't withstand any distortion hardly, or you're going to blow it. Something else that's a very good idea to run on these is our bass blockers, the Down for Sound bass blockers. We sell them in singles or dual packets, so you can put them in line going to the tweeters, and it'll keep the signal as clean as possible going to the tweeters to hopefully give you as much longevity as possible with your tweeters in your vehicle. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you checking it out. I know I'm going to do a giveaway in this video. I'm just bringing this out right now. So what we're going to do, for you to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is drop a comment with which tweeter you would run in your vehicle, and we're going to give away a pair of the tweeters to one lucky winner after this video being live for 24 hours. So within 24 hours of this video being posted, we're going to come on here and say, hey, whoever, you're the winner of the tweeters. Shoot us a message at like our Down for Sound email and claim your prize. It'll be no purchase necessary, like we do all of our giveaways on our Facebook page. So I'm going to start giving back to the YouTube following in this way. So again, all you have to do to enter this is you have to be subscribed to my channel. Obviously, you have to like this video on my YouTube channel. So let's tear up that like button, and also you have to comment which one you would like. Are you going to comment the SD style, the BT style, the ET style, or the GT style right here? So drop a comment below and you will be entered to this giveaway. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.